So hello guys, this is the EVOFOX Katana S Mini, and the keyboard has come with Dixon header switches, and the keyboard has 3-in-1 connectivity. One's the wire cable and the second one is dongle and the third one is Bluetooth connectivity. And also the keyboard has 23 RGB light effects. So let's see the overall view of the keyboard. And the typing experience of this keyboard is very smooth, which you guys are also see. Also the keyboard is come with 65% mechanical keys, which means the keyboard has dedicated arrow keys. So again, let's see the overall view of this keyboard. And if you guys are like the video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.